In this video, I want to help you fix an Onida Fire TV flat screen TV. Now, it doesn't have to be a Fire TV version, but this particular one is. And you might have like a red standby light that's still on. If that's the case and you do see a red light while it's plugged in, go ahead and manually check the back of the TV where the power button is. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's on the front. And try turning it on directly from the TV and don't use your remote. And a lot of times that will make it work. So what that usually means is that the batteries in your remote's bad. Alright, and then that'll also troubleshoot the remote to make sure that the batteries are good and everything, and that you know it's not an issue with the remote. Okay, next thing I want you to do is unplug the Onida from the wall, and that's going to do like a power cycle, and keep it unplugged for a good minute. Just keep it unplugged. And I want you to take your remote and then hold the power button directly towards the TV and hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, don't let go, just hold it for 30 seconds. That's doing a power cycle on the TV. And then after you've done that, actually physically go to where the power is on your Onida and then hold down the power for at least 30 seconds. You're doing this while the TV is unplugged. Alright, now plug the TV back into the wall and then see if that will work. That will fix the majority of the issues. Alright, now after we've tried all that, next thing I want you to do is, if you have access to a hair dryer, I want you to grab a hair dryer like this and keep your TV unplugged. And what we're going to do is we're going to warm up the components on the back of the TV. So anywhere you see like a vent, like right here and down here, we're going to blow into it on warm heat for about 5 minutes, high pressure. And again, keep it unplugged. And what this is doing is it's blowing the dust off the components of the TV, and it's actually warming up the components just a tad to change the chemistry. Okay, so you can see there's several vents on this Onida, and you want to do that to your TV. Now give it a good 30 minutes before you plug it back in. You want everything to start cooling down. And then after you do that, plug it back in and then tell me if that works. If that doesn't work, what I want you to do is unplug the power from the back of the TV and do an examination of the power cord, both ends. And most Onidas look like this. They have a figure 8. This is a non-polarized AC power cord. But some will be a triple hole and some will look a little bit different. But check your home to see if you have another one of these laying around. A lot of printers like HP and Epson have these power cords. CPAP machines have them. And a lot of devices, Xboxes, PlayStation will have these. And temporarily remove it from that device and try it on your Onida. So basically what you're doing is you're seeing if it's the power cord that's broken. If not, you can go on Amazon or eBay and you can get these for less than 10 bucks. And I can link in the comment section where you can get it. Alright, I think that should help a majority of you guys fixing your black screen TV. If I did, let me know in the comments section if I helped, and then also let me know which method and version worked for you. Alright, thanks again.